How to pay with Doordash credits. Now this video is going to be very straightforward and easy to follow. So all I have to do first is of course open up your Doordash application and ensure that you're running the latest version of the app. Now log into your account. Now first things first, Doordash credits, once those specific balance will be issued, it will always be available on your credit balance. So for you to be able to see that, just simply go ahead and locate the Me tab or the profile icon on your application at the lower right portion of your screen. And then once you're there, all you have to do next is go ahead straight to Doordash credits. Now, the way to use it is just simply choose any specific meal that you would like to order. And then if you will be ordering a specific amount that will not fit in for the total amount of your daughter's credits, it will automatically be filled out and you'll have to pay the remaining amount. And that's basically it. That's how you use or to pay with DoorDash credits.